Good morning, 7 a.m. today in San Juan Del Sur. I'm Bastien May from BVN Real Estate and I'm showing today lots at TreeCasa Resort. They are the upper lots of TreeCasa, the last one available with like a majestic ocean view. There is 4 lots here at $89,000 and $99,000. They are like third of an acre. And we have like an amazing view on the Nacascolo Bay. We are like 10-minute drive from San Juan Del Sur. Homeowners also have like access to amenities of TreeCasa, so they can go to the resort, the pool, have a discount at the restaurant. They have like a gate, security at the gate. There is 3 entrance gates at TreeCasa Resort. HOA is $1,020 per year. For road maintenance, the road is in process to be paved from the resort to the entrance. So they did like probably 30% of it. So it's a flat lot where I am here. I think normally I'm on the E18. So we have a large stage flat of about quarter acre. It continues and then falls, so we have no neighbors, no one will be in front of us. You will probably have neighbors there on the side behind us and on the side and behind us, but no one will disturb. So there is 4 lots I like a lot. Is the one where I am. Also just behind me we will go. So was on the 18. Here you see there is a rocks line just in front of me. You don't see it, but we are passing the 19. So the 19 will have like a mixed view with the left view of Nacascolo and straight to Marsella. On my right also another area next side of the road. Let's see. We are Monday 6 May 6. So here is my road access. You don't need to have 4x4 to come, but probably better to have a 4x4. So those slots also on the side, this one are at $89,000. So we have like a straight view here to Marsella Beach. No one will hide it. We see the Jesus statue over there. I'm not sure you will be able to see it on the video. I will zoom on it for you. So it's easy to build, flat lot coming from water and power. And we are like 5 minutes to the resort driving. Walking will be 10 minutes. It's a very peaceful area. We listen monkeys, birds. Not sure you get them on the video, but I listen them now.